How to fix Snapchat My Eyes Only Not Loading. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, you can check for your internet connection because when your internet is acting up, this issue may occur. So what you can do is you can switch into a cellular data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. Then again, switch into your Wi-Fi connection or a better one. Then try again. That should resolve the issue. If not, press and hold on to your Snapchat application and tap on App Info. Select on Force Stop and OK. Head on to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. This is to fix any of the bug or the glitch issue. After which, you can tap on your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option of System Update. Make sure your system is up to date so that it can support latest options. Now, last but not the least, check for an update. Tap on your Play Store and search for your Snapchat. If there is an update button, click on it and wait for it to be updated. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.